Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. While advanced reasoning of all of these LLM is improvable through data-driven imitation, there are a lot of scalability issues which people are witnessing at the moment when they are trying to implement this in production environment. More and more models are appearing with better reasoning capabilities. We already have seen QWQ, QVQ from Quen, we have seen O1 from OpenAI, and the list goes on and on, where models are not only scaling linearly, they're also trying to come up with a chain of thought, self reflection, and slicing and dicing of responses. All of these better reasoning requires exponentially more high quality examples to imitate, making continuous improvement increasingly intractable. Now, there are mainly a lot of challenges around it because the main challenge lies in transforming data driven approaches into exploration based methods. Also, there are two critical challenges which needs to be addressed. First is how to obtain precise reward signal efficiently, and secondly, how can we build effective reinforcement learning algos to fully unleash the potential of these learnings. And that is where this new method, which is called as prime, which is short for process reinforcement through implicit reward, is trying to help out. What this is doing is Prime is an open source online RL method which implicit process reward modeling to improve reasoning of LLMs. It directly learns a Q function, which is a scoring function that provides rewards for each token. It can be updated online with only the outcome, improving math reasoning up to 27% with an average of 16.7%. I also like those projects more which come up with something tangible. So this project has come up with this euros to 7 billion prime model which has been trained on this. This prime 7 billion has already achieved this 26.7 pass at 1 on AMI and lot of other benchmarks as compared to GPT-4o. Its average improvement is 16.7%. It also updates PRM that avoids reward hacking and maintains reward accuracy. They also have shared the full recipe and code on this GitHub repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So the way this prime algorithm is working is quite interesting. Before I tell you that, let me quickly introduce you to the sponsors of the video who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Coming back to this model Prime RL Euros, which is a research project by the way, I won't suggest you implementing it any for any general purpose usage, but I think this is going to be the harbinger of more models which will be based on it. That is my opinion in coming days, because this particular model, the Euros to 7 billion, is trained using Prime, which is process reinforcement through implicit reward method. That is an open source solution for online reinforcement learning with process rewards. And the whole idea behind this is to improve the reasoning. As I said, the way it works is quite interesting. Let me try to explain very quickly in very simple words. Firstly, it initializes a policy model and this PRM with supervised fine tuning, and then it generates rollouts using the policy model. Rollouts are simply prompts with responses, and then it scores those rollouts using the implicit PRM and then also verifies it. It then filters the prompt based on accuracy, and then it calculates the outcome and process rewards, and then it updates the implicit PRM on the rollouts, and then it updates the policing using PPO laws, and that is how it's achieved lot of scalability. So that's it. So I just wanted to introduce you to this new research, and as soon as I see something really good in terms of hands-on demo, I will create another video. But if you want to just try this out, euros to 7 billion, they have given some inference code, but I would highly suggest that first you clone this repo and then install all the requirements, which would take a bit of a time, and then you uh, go through it. That's it. Let me know what do you think about this new method. I'm pretty hopeful about it. That is why I covered it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.